Alright, welcome back into another case with a Mac surgeon. And today's patient is MacBook Pro 14-inch LCD screen. And today's patient job, the one we have it's a straightforward job. We don't have to put too much knowledge on it. It's a mainly skill. Let's take a look together, and at the same time I will explain what kind of tactic I'm using to do this kind of job. Alright, here's our LCD panel. Actually, it's a full LCD assembly. One of the connectors is broken. On time when they tried to install it, they broke the connector, and these screens are quite expensive. That's why they wanted me check it if I can fix it, the connector, or I have to replace the connector. Let's take a look together under the microscope to see how bad is damaged, and then we'll try to replace it with another one, or if we can fix it, we will fix it. Okay, the area is damaged. It's in this side. Let me bring it under the microscope and we can check it together. As you can see, some pins are bent there. These pins are bent, which is mean most likely we'll not be able to fix these pins. It's not straight, as you can see, the bend. Let me check it also the other two, but these two looks okay. Alright, this is a straightforward job, nothing major. Does not need any knowledge about the diagnosing to finding the problem. What we have to do, we have to use some technique in order to replacing this connector. And what is the technique to replace it on this connector? I will show you right now. Alright, what I will do, I will try to apply some flux in all this area. And to remove the connector, right now I can use also hot air gun, but I will prefer to not use hot air gun because I will melt it and will damage some other component. Because this is an LCD panel, you cannot heat it. It will melt the backlight films or some other stuff which is under the LCD panel. I will use my hot iron station, and what I will do. Alright, it's like this, and as you have, my tip does have this edge. I will hold it like this and heat it up to like 360. I have the temperature. I will see if it's less, then we can heat it a little bit more, and that's the way how I will remove this connector. Let's check it now under the microscope to see how easy we can remove it. Here is the tip, like this. As you can see, it starts melting. I will use my tweezer. Okay, here was some paper. Let me clean it. As you can see, already start melting it, and the connector is out. Here, check it there. Alright, like this. Yeah, as you can see, we have uniform, everything are good looking way. Next, we need another connector, put it there, and the job is done. That's the technique I'm using. Now let me find the one connector because I have to salvage from a broken screen. Here I found one screen that I was doing some testing on this screen, and I will salvage it from this one. This is looking good. What I will do, I will try to do the exact same thing also on this connector by applying flux here. Okay, and let's have our soldering iron here on table like this. Something like this, and let's hold it. As you can see, start moving, and we have super clean connector. Alright, and this is our connector. As you can see, we remove it, nothing damaged. Let me just clean it a little bit here. Alright, now the next step, we have to put it back our connector. How I will do, again, same way.
Here we go again.
By having flux here, let's put the connector on his position here, like this. Next, I will apply a little bit of flux again, there. That's okay. Here. Alright, let's have it our iron like this and wait it. As you can see now, Everything are in his place. Nice, uniform. Let's put this one back. And next we need to clean it, the area. And that's it. That all was this job. This is the way how I am replacing this type of connectors. Let's clean it. And we can test it. Here is the connector. There you can see everything are uniform, nice. I don't see any problem here. That's all. These are the job.
We did it!
Yeah, mission accomplished.
Next, let's to test it. All right. Now let's have it like this. Let me grab a testing board and we can test. All right. This is a testing board. All right. Like this, and then I need one USB-C port. I do have one, but that's not a good one. So let's see if it will work. No. Let me flip it. No. Let me get another port because my port is not working, that I know. All right. Now let's check it. Pay attention on a right corner. We have to get 20 volt and the booting current. So, and then we have to see, okay, we have 20 volt, 100, and as you can see, we do have also the Apple logo. That means everything is okay with this screen. All right, because it's not connected any accessory like keyboard, trackpad, that's why it's showing us all this image. That's normal. All right, this was another success repair. It was a short video just showing the technique I'm using to do this kind of small jobs. Generally, this is a hard job in order to replacing this type of connector, but I find that this is one of the easiest way you can try to do it. I hope you'll learn something new. At the same time you enjoy. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. In case if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, and I'll try answering your question. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.